Welcome to the introduction of relation. At first we are going to study what Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets A and B defined as a set of ordered pairs from A to B. That is, the first element of the ordered pair is from A and the second from B. It is the Cartesian product. Okay. Cartesian product of two sets A and B defined as a set of all ordered pairs from A to B. That is, the first element of the ordered pair is from A and the second from B. What A set is? We have studied something on A set. What A set is? A is equal to set 1, 2, 4. B is equal to set M, N. Here set A and set B. Cartesian product of two sets A and B defined as the set of all ordered pairs from A to B. A cross B is equal to Cartesian product of two sets A and B defined as the set of all ordered pairs from A to B. The first element of the ordered pair is from A. 1 M. This is the ordered pair. First element from A and the second element from B. Next 1 N. Third 2 M. Fourth 2 N. Fifth 4 N. Sixth 4 N. This set is known as Cartesian product or A cross B. How to find out A cross B? A is equal to 1 to 4. B is equal to M, N. How to find out A cross B? A cross B is equal to 1 M. Such elements are called ordered pairs. The first element of A cross B, in the ordered pair, first element must be in set A, second should be in set B. 1 in set A, 1 M, 1 N. Next 2 M, 2 N. 2 M, 2 N. Third 4 N, 4 M, 4 M, 4 N. This is called the Cartesian product or A cross B. Very simple. Okay. We have studied what a Cartesian product or what A cross B. From this section, we should understand that two ordered pairs are equal. If and only if their corresponding elements are equal. Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding elements are equal. We must write this note and by heart it. Okay. Example, if x by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 by 3, these are one ordered pair. Two elements in one ordered pair. X by 3 plus 1, one element or the representative of x. Y minus 2 by 3 is the second part of the one element of ordered pair. X by 3 plus 1, one element, one part of the ordered pair, and y minus 2 by 3 is the next part of the ordered pair, is equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Two ordered pairs are equal. This ordered pair equal to next ordered pair. Example, if x by 3 plus 1, f minus 2 by 3 equal to 5 by 3, 1 by 3, find the values of x and y. Two ordered pairs are equal. So, their corresponding elements are equal. Corresponding elements x by 3 plus 1, x representative, 5 by 3, x representative of the next ordered pair. So, we can write as this, x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. X by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. Why? Two ordered pairs are equal. Then their corresponding elements are equal. First ordered pair, in first ordered pair x element x by 3 plus 1. And in the second ordered pair x representative 5 by 3. So x by 3 plus 1 equal to 5 by 3. They ask, find out the value of x. X by 3 plus 1. We can, x by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. 5 by 3 minus 1. Then x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 3. 5 minus 3 by 3. X by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. X by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. 3 cancel. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. Okay. X by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. X positive 1 goes to next side of the equation or RHS of the equation. X by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. Positive 1 minus 1 becomes minus 1. X by 3 is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1. X by 3 is equal to, this is mixed fraction. So denominator like denominator, and 3 into 1, 3, 5 minus 3 by 3, 5 minus 3 by 3. X by 3 equal to 2 by 3. LHS, the denominator of LHS 3, the denominator of RHS 3. 3 cancel. Then x is equal to 2. X is equal to, what is the value of y? Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. The denominator same. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay. Y is equal to 1. Y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. Two ordered pairs are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. Y is equal to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. How? Negative 2 by 3 from LHS goes to RHS, it becomes positive 2 by 3. Okay? 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. This is adding of a fraction. Their denominator are same. So, we can write a denominator 3. Then 1 plus 2, 3. 3 by 3 equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Okay? This rule we must study well. What is the rule? Two ordered pairs are equal if and only if the corresponding elements are equal. Okay? What is the next point? Number of A cross B equal to number of A into number of B. In Cartesian product or A cross B, number of A cross B, the elements of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. Example, A is equal to set 1, 2, 3. B is equal to A, B. Here, number of A is equal to, number of A means the element in set A, 3. Number of B equal to 2. Number of B equal to 2. 2 elements. Then number of A cross B is equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. That means in set A has 3 elements. In set B has 2 elements. When we find out the A cross B, there we get 6 elements. That is enough. Okay? A cross B equal to 1A ordered pair, 1B ordered pair, 2A ordered pair, 2B ordered pair, 3A and 3B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements. Okay? Number of A cross B equal to number of A into number of B means here in set A has 3 elements and in set B equal to 2 elements. Number of A cross B is equal to 2 into 3, 6 elements. That means when we find out A cross B, there will be 6 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? This is a relation from set A to B. This is a relation from set A to B. R means relation. Relation from A to B. In set A, all elements are X representatives, X elements of ordered pairs. And the elements in Y set is known as image of X element. Okay? In set A, there are some elements and a relation from A to B. The element in set A is known as X representatives or X elements in relation. And in B, the elements are known as Y representative or the image of X. The X element is 1. Its image is 1. Its Y representative is 1. X representative or X element 2, its image 4. Okay? X elements, X representative in set A when a relation starts from A to B. And the elements in set B is known as Y representatives or images. Images or X representatives. The image of 2 is 4. The image of 2 is 4. The image of 3 is 9. Okay? This relation becomes the subset of A cross B. Any relation from A to B, any relation from A to B is the subset of A cross B. A cross B. The relation is subset of A cross B. Subset of A cross B. Relation subset of A cross B. Any relation from A to B is the subset of A cross B. Or relation. This is the sign of subset. Relation subset of A cross B. That means any relation from A to B is a subset of A cross B. We make A cross B, we get 1 1, 2 4, 3 9 and 4 16 elements. So it is said that any relation from A to B is the subset of A cross B. That is enough. Okay. Any relation from A to B is the subset of AB. Okay. This relation is the representation of arrow diagram. We can represent such relation in set builder method. Set builder method or roster method. What is the roster method? Roster method. Roster method. We can represent this same relation in roster method. It is arrow diagram. Arrow diagram. This is the arrow diagram of a relation. We can represent the same relation into roster method. In roster method, R is equal to set 1 1, 2 4, 3 9 and 4 16. 4 16. This is the roster method. We can represent any relation in arrow diagram, in roster method and set builder form. Set builder form is the algebraic representation of the relation. R is equal to xy such that x element of n, y element of n relation in set builder form. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 9 and 4, 16. X elements 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 elements are in natural number. And 1, 4, 9, 16 are also natural number. Okay? The relation R is equal to x, y such that x element of n and y element of n. Then we can connect a relation with x and y. Look, x representative 1, y representative 1. The square of 1 is equal to 1. 2, 4. X representative 2, y representative 4. Imagine 4. 4 is the square of 2 and 9 is the square of 3 and the 16 is the square of 4. Okay? Then we can write y is equal to x square. Finish. This is the set builder form. This is the set builder form. Okay, this is the set builder form. This is the representation of a relation of arrow diagram. This is the roster method. And this is the set builder form. Okay, a relation, we can represent a relation in 3 different ways, such as arrow diagram, roster form, set builder form. We can convert a relation in roster form into arrow diagram and into set builder form. Set builder form is an algebraic expression. This is the direct element writing method and this is the arrow diagram. These three are the representation of the relation. Okay? In set builder form, we have something more. Look, the set builder form of this relation R is equal to x, y such that x, y element of n and x less than or equal to 4 and x less than or equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X less than or equal to 4 and y is equal to x square. It is enough. Here is a limitation. So we must include this point also. Okay. Set builder form R is equal to xy such that xy element of n and x less than or equal to 4 and y is equal to x square. 1, 2, 3, 4. Natural number starts from 1 and it goes, but here a limitation. Only till 4 is the x representative or x elements. So we also bring this point to. Okay, set builder form of this R relation is equal to xy such that xy element of n, x less than or equal to 4 and y is equal to x square. Okay, we are going to study what the domain is, range is and codomain is. Write domain, range and codomain of this relation. What is the domain? What is the domain? Domain is the set of X representatives in ordered pairs of a relation. Domain is the set of X elements in ordered pairs of a relation. Domain is the X representative. 1, 2, 3, 4. Domain is the set. Domain is the set. Domain is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is not a element. Sorry, an element of domain. Why? 5 has no pair, no image. So 5 is not including to the domain of of the relation. What is the range? Range is the set of all images, all y elements. What are the y elements here? 1, 4, 16, 9. Okay? 1, 4, 16, 9. 1, 4, 16, 9. These are the range of this relation. What is the domain? Domain is the X representatives of say or X elements of the ordered pair in any relation. And what a range is? The set of range is the Y representatives. The set of range is the Y representatives or images of X elements. What are the images or what are the Y elements? 1, 4, 16, 9. 1, 4, 16, 9. Codomain. Codomain is the set B. Codomain is the set B. 1, 4, 16, 20 and 9. Codomain is the set B of any relation. Okay. What a domain is, what a range is, what a codomain is. Domain is the X representatives in ordered pair. Domain is the set of X representatives. Range is the Y representatives and the codomain is the set B. Okay. We have studied introduction in relation. On relation. We have studied what a Cartesian product. Cartesian product is equal to A cross B. Two ordered pair are equal, then the corresponding elements are equal. We note the point. In A cross B. And we have studied number of A cross B, how we find out number of A cross B. Number of A cross B means elements of A cross B. Number of A cross B is equal to number of A into number of B. Then we have studied relations. A relation from set A to B always be the subset of A cross B. And we have studied a relation we can represent in three ways. Arrow diagram, roster method, set builder form. At last we have studied what a domain, what set range, what codomain. Okay, this is only of the introduction of the relation. Okay, next class we will study more and more over A cross B and relation. Then the last portion function. Okay.